Hey there, Ninja. Have you been trying to start or grow a childcare business from your home and it just seems unattainable? Well, maybe you just need someone to help guide you along the journey because they've already been on it. Hey, I'm Nyckie B, and I'm the founder and owner of ChildcareNinjas.com. I am a childcare solutions strategist that helps women start and grow a successful childcare business from their home so they can live the life that they love. So 15 years ago, I started my childcare business journey from my home as a single mother of 4. And today I have multiple facilities and I am bringing in multiple 6 figures each and every year. It has been a journey and I have definitely learned a lot along the way. So here on this channel, it is my goal to help you overcome the overwhelm, create strategies for success, and implement systems that really work so that you can unleash the powerful, confident, and organized childcare ninja that is hiding inside of you. So please enjoy these bite-sized tools that I share here on the channel, and be sure to subscribe down below. Also, if you want more resources, tools, and strategies to help you start and grow your successful childcare business, make sure you visit us at ChildcareNinjas.com. I look forward to seeing you around, Ninja. Remember, you got this.